out there. In here. Your equipment moves the mission forward. And when your mission systems are no longer of use, they must be destroyed. System High P2 Shred ensures data and technology security by turning sensitive, decommissioned equipment into dust. P2 Shred is the only trusted, mobile, and secure IT destruction for classified and highly sensitive information. From accountability and logistics to demanufacture and risk reduction to destruction and disposal, we bring the solution to you so you can stay on mission. Don't just mitigate risk, destroy it.